Right, back again. Going to show you the reservation facilities of these HMS Lura. As I say, the beauty of this software, it can be web-based, it can be a local, can be run from any local server, which is such as your LAN or the way you like to run it. It can be a cloud-based, and one of the other beauty is one of the earlier version, which is other PMS or HMS they don't have all these facilities, but this is a very latest way of thinking, as I can say, is now when you got all this type of gadgets and things, different type of screen resolutions. This does not bother with regardless your resolution or screen size. This is at the moment we are watching it in a desktop view. You can use it in a laptop, or if you have got a sort of a tablet or an iPad, or if you are interested to look and work in a mobile environment. So if you click on the reservation, this is at the moment I'm going to demonstrate to you a quick individual single room or suite booking system, as well as the reservation. So I will do two quick room reservations. So if you are watching in a mobile phone, this is how your screen will look like. So you will be automatically asked the question to a customer, when do you need it for, and then what floor do you like it, have you got any preferences or something. Obviously you got, if it is a pre-registration booking, you got room number, you can select it by any means, and these are the rooms. You got total is 236 rooms is in this property is been demonstration has been made it for, and then it's got 179 rooms are available, and 3 rooms shows is occupied, none are reserved, and none are out of order. 54 rooms are dirty, and none need to be checked out. As I said, this is made is used with the thought of advanced way. You can make your screen bigger by clicking this one if you don't want to see your left panel at all, or if you want to look at, you can always do it, so it's not a problem at all. Or even if you want to get a full screen facilities, you can do it. So right now I'm going to show you this. As I said, this can be a touch screen. I'm going to select one of the state. Let's say I'm going to select the 106. The white colors are basically the available room. The green color is the rooms has been occupied. The orange or the amber color is basically the reserve, and the red is going to be out of order. The purple color is for your dirty, and the bluish color is for your pending order. So let's say I'm booking this one as a reservation 106, and if I go into the action, obviously before I go it, you can see is US dollar is 152 US dollar. If I choose a deluxe room, is different. Anyway, I'm going to choose a super deluxe room, and the action I go into the book, and then I'm going to book it under the name of a test. And then if the customer is already in this office in this hotel visited in the past as a guest, we can obviously search. So we can ask this question, or we can search it by date of birth or whatsoever. So I have put all these details, and I have taken customers all details, as it depends on the legality of the country you're using it for. As I said, I'm going to show you this just a reservation. So if I just reserve a single room, which is 1006, and I'm going to reserve it for say 7 days. It could be a guaranteed or a non-guarantee, so it could be anything you like. That's it. I'm going to just do as next, which will help you go to the is now booking as your this is just a simple reservation. Yeah, so if you are doing just a reservation, and you can see is the number of packs was this amount. If you want to cancel the reservation, you can do it. So we have booked it for 7 nights and 1 adult. If I need to make it to 2 adults, and then if I want to edit to 2 children, and if you have got an extra bed and so on, so you can always do it. So on the reservation, if you want to give a complimentary breakfast or whatsoever, or even the name of the guest has now been changed, we can obviously change it. So as I say, this is a quite legal requirements, depends on the country you are in. If you got more than 1 adults, country to country depends, the second adult's name should be entered. So you got the second adult's name, you can always put in through. The price you can see is the price has been, this is the rack rate, and after VAT and service charges is become this amount. There is no extra charges at the moment. Again, these extra bed things is all depends on how it works. You can give say 30% discount, the price will get changed, and or if you want to give to make it as a flat, you can make it so, and that's it. So your reservation number is 1417. That's it. You can seeing how it reserved. I'm going to do a quick demo again on how you select a check-in. So if I go to the 3rd August, for example, and deluxe room 1021, same again, I go into the booking room, then type into the guest name is testing, and then obviously I did not pull up the detail, so I just pulled up the detail, and then I just typed this one. It was a wrong, something was wrong in this field. It's already there, prefix, and then all you need to do is just go again. As I say, on the individual room you can select it by the date, and you got options what time you are checking it out, which is your departure, and you can select many room as you like, but because at the moment I'm going to show you a single room check-in, so guest coming in, and then you click on next, and then you can go into the room. So again, your breakfast can be a complimentary. You can select your complimentary breakfast. So you got number of adults is 2. Some reason it shows I go backward by mistake, I think. That could be an interesting, so that's why it shows negative value. Of course it will not let me check in. So I got 2 adults, I got say 0 kids, and I got obviously booked it for 1. And if I don't want to pay the VAT charges, as I said, it depends on the country to country, and so and so. And if you got 2 adults, you can always use the second adult's details. You can always put it in here. However, if you want to give any discounts, or if you want to make it to 17,000 as a fixed rate, you can do it so, and then you, after you change it, you need to click it to sorry, my apology, you don't need to save it. Now the guest information has been taken. As we know that some countries we need to take their passport or a driver's license, especially for the foreigners, so you can scan it and then upload it from anywhere you like it to, and then you can upload and you can view the documents anytime you like. As soon as your information, all this information has been gathered, piled, done and dusted, you can go and click check-in. Before check-in, it is a legal document, and requirements from customers to take the signature means he has accepted your tariffs and so on. So you need to take a signature. Nowadays everything is touch screen. You can use a tablet, iPhone, iPad, or an Android to any system. Even nowadays you can have a touch screen signature pad, which is commonly be used get from any kind of shops, even on eBay. So I just take a signature of a customer's, and if the customer is not happy, he can change his signature. I just put the signature, and that's it. I'm going to do the check-in. That's what I just showed you. How does it works on a check-in? Thank you.